Hello science fans, and welcome to SHE-ensya's Corner. Here, we kick back, relax, answer some of your questions, and talk about science events in the life of your resident Filipino scientist. It's January 17, science fans. I am Chana Camille Vinci Cruz Abeledo, your resident Filipino scientist, and welcome to episode 9 of SHE-ensya's Corner. So for the past few weeks in quarantine, we had a fireball across the Philippine night sky. We finally have our first FDA-approved COVID-19 vaccine, and we awarded the first ever Eco Squad Goals grant to 3 amazing student-led organizations. Now for optimists, a meteor is a perfect opportunity to have a wish granted. To be frank, that's a lot to expect from a piece of burning space debris. But considering the year that was, I guess we all need all the wishes we can get. Last January 9 at around 8:30 p.m., a very bright meteor was spotted in the skies. The Philippine Astronomical Society estimates that the meteor might have originated from the skies above the eastern seaboard of the Polillo Island, and it crossed westward across Metro Manila. Science fact! Such brighter-than-usual meteors are called fireballs or bolides. While still in space, these rock-like objects that are often made of silicon and oxygen and heavier metals like nickel and iron are called meteoroids. But when they enter the atmosphere, friction causes them to burst in flames, and that is when they turn into meteors. Based on the meteor activity forecast of the International Meteor Organization, the possible origin of the January 9 fireball could be the Kappa Cancrid's meteor from the constellation of Cancer. Now, I don't know if that's a sign or anything, but just a couple of days ago, the Food and Drug Administration has finally approved the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine as the first to be allowed for emergency use. The Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, found that Pfizer's vaccine may be effective to prevent COVID-19 and can thus be used for individuals ages 16 years old and up. But how exactly does the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine actually work? Science fact! The Pfizer vaccine contains molecules called mRNA or messenger RNA. Now, mRNA is not some strange molecule. Our bodies produce it all the time from our DNA, whenever we need to grow, develop, or respond to the environment. If you want to learn more about how mRNA works, please click the video that will pop up here at the end of this video so that you can learn more about how your cells work. What's unique about the mRNA in the vaccine is it gives our bodies instructions to make a harmless version of the spike protein from the coronavirus. These spike proteins on the surface of the coronavirus helps them stick to each other and to our cells. When our bodies produce these spike proteins due to the vaccine, they won't do anything except trigger our immune system to produce antibodies to anything else that would contain the same proteins. And this action of the vaccine would allow our bodies to fight back faster against the real COVID-19 virus if ever we're exposed to it, so we don't end up getting sick. Cool, right? The FDA approval is important because they ensure that all new vaccines on the market are safe, effective, and have minimal side effects by carefully monitoring each stage of testing. So please verify the status of the FDA approval of any vaccine or medicine for that matter before it is used on you or any of your loved ones. Also, last January 8th, our team from the Brother Alfred Shields Ocean Research Center had the culminating activity for our project called Eco Squad Goals. Eco Squad Goals is a project funded by UNESCO that was created as a response to the surge in plastic waste brought about by a 40% increase in online shopping and food deliveries due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Throughout the month of December, we had 6 amazing student organizations from the Philippines collect crucial data about the amount of plastic waste generated by a typical Filipino household. Last January 8, the 3 top organizations presented amazing environmental projects that also sought to combat our plastic problem. The Ateneo Environmental Society won 3rd place, and in 2nd, we had the Polytechnic University of the Philippines Society of Biology Students. And finally, in 1st place, we had the University of Asia and the Pacific's ALON. Congratulations to all winning groups! The Eco Squad Goals initiative was an amazing experience that allowed us to get an idea of how much plastic waste we generate during the holidays. Apart from that, it also exposed us to the ingenuity of young Filipinos in trying to figure out ways on how they can contribute to stop the plastic waste problem. Please watch out next week as we will be releasing a video that showcases the data that was collected from the Eco Squad Goals initiative. And that's it for SHE-ensya's Corner this week. For more updates about the goings-on at SHE-ensya and your resident Filipino scientist, please follow SHE-ensya on Facebook and SHE-ensya in Instagram. Drop by our website also at www.sheensya.com. You can also follow my personal IG account at chona.abeledo. I hope you were able to enjoy and learn something from this week's episode of SHE-ensya's Corner. If you did, I hope you can give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please don't hesitate to message me, your resident Filipino scientist, in the comments section below. Thank you very much, and see you around!